Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video got my 2015 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk with a 3.2 that has a nasty squeal on a cold startup. I'm going to replace these pulleys and hopefully that solves the issue. Safety first. I always like to remove the negative battery post. I put a rag underneath it so there's no way that it can make contact. Once that's done, I'm going to safely jack up the Jeep. I'm using an air jack, and I'm also using a jack stand with a pinch rail adapter, so fit up there. And never rely on the jack itself because you never know if it can come down. Now we're going to remove the tire. Now we got to remove the fender skirt, and there's a whole bunch of fasteners that we need to get out so we can get access to the pulleys. So as you can see, I've already got a whole bunch off, and this tool right here is the one that I found that works the best because I gotta split this. One side does have a little cavity in it that you can, and I just split it out like such. Now you can't just remove this cover to get access to the belt, but I find it's not enough room. If there's anything left, I need to put it in. Alright, this is where the fun begins. That's the smooth belt, and this is the grooved one. I think there's play in this one, so I think that's the one that's giving us the issues, is this one here. Not really a good angle, but I want to loosen this off enough that I can slip it off this bottom pulley and then let that relax as such. Alright, so this is a 13 mil. I'm just gonna bust that free. So since I'm doing both, it's gonna be easier. You probably don't want to use a socket in there. Like the space. We're gonna pull this bottom one out first, set it aside, and then we're going to do that top one. Because then we'll have more room. I just dropped it, but it doesn't matter. Let's have a look at this one. Yeah, looks like it's in pretty good shape still. Yeah, looks like it's in. Actually, it's pretty dry. Yeah, this top one, there's not a lot of room. So you have to have really good dexterity to get that one started and going. Yeah, I almost got her. Almost got her with my fat fingers, and we fell out. I think this one here. I think this one here is the one. You can see I greased them. Actually, it's not too bad. These are my new ones. Size them up. Make sure that they are the right size. See, this idler pulley here is just, it's really light. And this one here, quite a bit thicker. Quite a bit heavier, so we're going to find out if this solves the winding issue, because the TSBs say to replace idler pulley, and since I'm doing one, I might as well do them both. Yeah, this is a tough one. This is one I gotta need like both hands to get up in there instead of have the camera, but for the B-roll purposes, I just kind of showed you. But with both hands in there, I'm not gonna be able to have any room. I'm actually quite surprised that I got this one way easier than I did a couple of years ago when I took it apart to grease it. Nice. There we go, that one there's up there. Made sure that the belt is in the right position, and this one's gotta come around as such. Yeah, this one here is down lower, so it is quite a bit easier to do. Yeah, there's not much view, and you'll know what I mean when you go to do this job. But I'll be glad, because all this is done. New pulleys. I probably won't have to change them again for the life of this Jeep. There we go. Now the fun part is getting the belt back on. I think I'm in the right spot. Now we're double checking all the belt, alternator, AC compressor, water pump, idlers. It looks like everything is right where it's supposed to be. I'm going to throw the battery back on because I want to see if the headlight's going to flicker or something. Because if it is, then I just opened up a can of worms. This is the moment of truth. If you have everything routed properly and the belts are on all the pulleys properly, you shouldn't have any issues. Start her up. If the belt doesn't jump off, you're good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.